Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Q. Welcome back. Today, I'm doing a how to solve the mirror 2x2, but this right here is not the real mirror 2x2, it's kind of the fake version, because see how most of these shapes are pretty much the same size. And I've seen many tutorials on this, and how they end. Even I myself struggle with this cube because of the same shapes. So today if you have it in the solve state, I'm gonna help you, give you the best way to solve this. And this may consider be cheating or not, but this is the best way how to solve it. And if you have it unsolved, well, you're gonna have to mess around with it, because you will always either get this part right here or these parts confused. Same thing with this one, and it takes way too long. So if you have a Sharpie, and I hate this cube because it doesn't work. So what you're gonna do is hold it like this, right? And you draw on it. This is considered to be the best method for me to learn, because it's extremely difficult. So what you want to do is write 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, can this erase off? I mean, yeah, if you put chemical on it. Then on the back side, we're gonna put A, B, C, D. It's a horrible D, but oh well. And now, all we have to do is mix it. Literally, this is kind of like a technique that they would use if they were blindfolded, kind of label things so they can memorize. But here, we're not going to do that. Now watch, this is the best method. Now we're going to solve. We're going to find our numbers. You have 1 and 4, and 2 is over here. So what we can do is this will solve exactly like the 2x2. So all you gotta do is just kind of mess around and try to solve it. Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong. It's supposed to go under here, okay. It's just gonna get rather annoying very quickly. I put labels on and I still struggle with this cube. Okay, we're gonna move on to the bottom, I guess. I guess you should be doing the bottom because it's much easier to do. Okay. We have our B and D, so now we gotta find our C, which is somewhere. That's our A still. That's over here, that's our C, okay. Oh yeah, see how it's erasing off? It won't last long on here. But this is basically a literal normal 2x2. That's how you will solve it in this case. I would just think more three-dimensional because I'm thinking of 2D. That's why it's harder. See? Is labeling considered being cheating? I mean, if you look at it that way, yeah. But it doesn't have to be. Because now, this side is now completely solved in the correct orientation. Now, you see how these numbers are on the side when they should be on top? It means they're not orientate properly. So that is where all it means your yellow or white's not even on top. So you're gonna have to mess around with it. So this is the move that you will have to do to kind of orientate it. I will struggle with this so many times. Okay. That's not correct. Is it? Two needs to switch over here. 4 needs to go over there. Okay, now everything's properly rotated. Except for this one. So what if just try solving it like that? That rotates. Okay. So yeah, that is basically how would you solve a mirror 2x2. And so, yeah, labeling it will be the best method because you do not know if any of these are going to be different. You label them and you solve it exactly as a 2x2. And this is not an actual real 2x2 because all of these shapes are mostly the same. So you're going to get confused with it. And don't worry, these will wear off over time, but when you just mess with it, but yeah.